You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this molecule, also a food, yellow brownish fatty substances. English pronunciation. Lecithin. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You need to listen to learn from more. Lecithin. Stress on the first syllable. Lecithin. I know it's a bit of a workout for your mouth. Lecithin. Lecithin. It's easy. And now you know. Can you pronounce it correctly? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.